a man has allegedly removed his testicles so he can serve God better. What's up? What's up? Yeah, that comes. That was me. The master in Pedamado Cofante, but I'm sure I'm the Cofanta, mayas. So, a Nigerian man identified as Tehimen Anongo removed his testicles as a religious obligation to serve God better. Now, Anongo, who was in a medical school but dropped out owing to health issues, said he went to that extent in order to serve God better. The 44-year-old man removed one of the testicles by himself last year, which nearly cost him his life. He actually performed the procedure himself owing to his background as a medical student, which resulted in extensive bleeding. Anongo dropped out of the University of Ibadan Medical School as his health was failing. He told reporters that he castrated himself based on his religious belief because since he is not married, he does not want to be promiscuous. The former medical student who was speaking on the phone with newsman in Makedi on Sunday said he now works as a wheelbarrow pusher. I went to remove the second testicle based on religious belief. I removed it on Monday. The first one had little hitches, but this one had length from that experience. I did remove it very well. Nobody is always coming to dress it for me. Somebody. I am fine. There is no problem. I am only waiting for when the wound will heal so I can remove the stitches. So that is the man. Papa paying his ocean abodri. Abodri fusa 44 good years. Now where do I see them? What's a sabil in Pedras? Ne ntɔhwɛ no weyi yefrim weyi ne ntɔhwɛ. The man has literally practically castrated himself. Weyi yefri ho ɔse ɔpɛdɛ ɔsom Nyankopɔn ne yɛ ɔmpɛdɛ ɔbɛsom Nyame ana akɔnɔ bɔn bi aba no do na obohu girl bi na n'enu agye girl no ho na bi akɔpɛ girl no na girl na apen na efi next one no do na girl na yɛ intimate na ade also on pedal bed because I no believe there's why the mother why no ho fi Nyankopɔn so mpɛ da mad no intina no pam no tram no where you boss nephew ne abi no balls yes ne testicles no we na nka say na because not a medical student at University of Ibadan but health issues into no he had to drop out na this year all wheelbarrow ya what they motor what makes the motor what they go what they cut cement na the eco site away use what it am you go moko kwego nine sisi ono no ye o tru wheelbarrow kakanka ka wasi Nyankopɔn na hwɛ nipa Nyankopɔn obahwɛ no yeho abɛhwɛ da madan na Hamilton autonium no nti asama all when when they read the Old Testament na apam dada no o se there say hwe na se wonsa nifa no ana ho wa twafiri ho ono the wa for the serious o say Osha ne balls no obaha no testicles no obetempt na morning coffee bi adada rough it end them da we twa we yi balls na fro tuni na sisi ano tuni na because also on worry now we two one any I am pema because only do illegal Yankopon also on your bon and this year me question you there so this year all you drug all pushy wheelbarrow ya na say Oshia besia Yankopon si oh dem besia oya oyela nti wana sa owele besia na how is he going to produce spermatozoa how? And I for and I he doesn't want kids. Maybe he doesn't. Not everyone wants kids. Okay. Maybe he doesn't want kids. So maybe I bet you about one so maybe I know so I will never that an answer and also so pet and back. So that one, yeah, that one is possible. They can work around that. They can work around that. But then for here, you can't do this. The same way, Allah tanko and the BTBC. Well, those are this is Showbiz Bars right here on Idea Shade TV with me, Sika Woman. Get interactive with us via our social media platforms at Idea Shade TV on Instagram, Twitter, and also on Facebook. Go on YouTube and subscribe to our YouTube channel. Let's go and take a quick breather, a quick musical break. Let's go and dance. When I come back, I've got more just for you. Stick and stay.